Oh, this is how we jimmy rigged instead of spending a lot of money
on a stand. Whoa, it's pretty solid.
And we duct taped this so it wouldn't scratch.
So first thing we gotta pull this cotter pin out.
I'll let you do it, honey, just so they don't get intimidated by a woman changing her own tire.
Yeah, okay. So we'll probably get a new one. And let's see what size. 27? Ooh, good guess. This one was still on the ground.
Yeah. Okay.
This is like one of the what not to do's. You want to break this sucker loose while it's still on the ground. Okay, I gotta get a cheater bar.
Don't bother the camera. Okay. Be nice. Be gentle. I can't hold a 500-pound bike on my own.
Oh.
Is it working?
Yep.
Sweet.
It's like getting tighter.
Aren't you going the wrong way?
No. Not unless it's reverse threaded for some weird ass reason. Ah!
Alright. I don't need to hold that anymore.
No. Yes.
So like this bolt right here, and that bolt right there?
Yep.
These two?
Yep.
Sweet.
You need an Allen wrench.
Yeah, even I knew that. For being a girl, that's pretty cool. It's probably because of the pressure of the bike.
It's just spinning this side. It's just spinning the axle. So you just pull this off. That's how it goes back on.
Yeah, that's a good thing to know.
I have a feeling you can just push
Push
this
it.
through.
Tap it a little.
I don't know. I might have to take this. Oh yeah, there it comes.
Because I'm tapping it.
Flip. Yeah, just be careful not to damage the threads. You're doing a good job.
Well, I'm on the outside. Or should I take it all the way out right now? Or should we take the caliper off first?
I would take the caliper off, or
Yeah.
else it's going to be dangling by that wheel, and everything will be dangling by the.
Right. So let's. There you go. It's from the lowering kit.
Oh, you found it. It's probably really tight.
Yeah, definitely is. It's kind of annoying to get at too. That's funny that this is a 6mm Allen.
6mm.
Yep. Oh, good. Got that one.
You got it. Roar! Because your huge muscles are busting loose.
Oh, maybe not that one. You want to try it this one? Yeah.
Oh,
See?
yeah. Okay. Got it?
Yep, it's just a 2, you think, right? Yeah. Looks like it.
Yeah, you'll know. Sweet.
Oh, I want to see how this goes in so I can do it by myself.
So you see the pads on both sides of
Yeah.
the disc?
You want to be careful.
So that's the part that they were talking about.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we gotta take the
Wheel off.
chain off and the axle. So
Yeah, so the chain.
we should probably
I
take
think this is your tensioner right here.
Yeah.
You can just like hang out.
And just hold it. Oh yeah.
You should be able just to pull it out.
You think so? Oh yeah, if you lift it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not even budging. Let me tap the other side. About as much as I can tap.
So now you could
to use something to pull it?
You could use that wrench handle.
Wait, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice. Nice. You got it.
Just kidding. Maybe this won't go on YouTube. Can you lift? Yeah. It's almost like you got that sweet spot. Hey, don't bend it too much, though. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Now, spin this forward to take the chain off. There we go. It's off. Oh man, that was not bad.
Ta-da!
Sweet.
Whoa.
Look at how bad that is.
Yeah.
Can I show that
That's
on
what
video?
you don't want.
Yeah, I wonder if you can see it on there. Yeah, you can. 12,000 miles on this stock tire right here. It's kind of sad that I was riding it like that.
Funny.
Ooh, look at that.
What?
She's a little indent, almost like it.
Alright, well, it's off.
Alright, sweet. I'm gonna stop.